So we were assigned the reading, What is Media Theory? This separates media and theory and begins by asking us what media is. The reading defines media as technologies that communicate messages to audiences in different parts of the world. These technologies are more commonly known as mass media. The writer explains several senses of media, in particular Williams' three senses, the first one being the historical sense. This refers to the media as a medium and highlights society's disbelief and wonder when radio and television were introduced. This also suggests and claims that media are not objects but means of communication. The technical sense means we can distinguish that print, audio, digital and so on are media in the technical sense. In this sense, for example, the radio in which we listen to is an object and the means of which it communicates messages to us is a medium.
He has three more senses to be discussed. First of all, capitalist. Early forms of mass media relied on resultant revenue from advertising. And from social and cultural sense, media would be the only way to know the world we live in, considering that we cannot know the truth in regions where are limited to access to the media. So far, he discussed six senses of media: historical, technical, capitalist, social, cultural, and political sense. There's no clear definition of media.
So, theory is a systematic way of thinking, and a good theory always requires good evidence. And the opposite of theory is putting something into practice, but you need to use the two to work together. For example, in the article, it talks about if you're passing your driving test. The theoretical bit is the actual test you take, and then the practical is the road test.
And finally, he answered the question, what is media theory, combining these discussions. Media theory can be a systematic way of thinking about the means of communication. We have to break free from our everyday experience, our bias, and stand on a critical distance from media studies.